Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Habang tayo po ay nabubuhay mga kapatid, hindi po mawawala sa atin yung sense of wonder, sense of yung we search for something that fulfills the meaning of our existence, of our life. Kaya nga po, mayroon yung curiosity sa buhay natin. Something that tickles our imagination, our desire, our intention to know, to be better. And I think this is also the experience of King Herod in our gospel reading today. He is curious about Jesus. And so he asks, who is this person that he hears so many things about, and he is anxious to see Jesus. His curiosity should have led him to encounter the Lord. But Herod did not pursue his curiosity. Why? Because he is afraid to face the truth. He's afraid to face his pasts, his mistake of beheading John the Baptist. My dear brothers and sisters, the point of the experience of King Herod in our gospel reading today is teaching us that our curiosity should lead us to an encounter with the Lord. Our curiosity should lead us to an encounter with what is true, good, and beautiful. And so encountering what is true, good, and beautiful, encountering the Lord, leads us to conversion. Kung sana si King Herod, kanyang ipinagpatuloy yung kanyang curiosity na mas makilala si Jesus. Baka ito yung pagkakataon na nagbago siya at nagkaroon siya ng panibagong buhay. Pero yung kanilang pagtatagpo ay nangyari na lamang sa passion ng ating Panginoon. And so, we are challenged today to continue to hunger for the Lord. Our curiosity should always lead us to the Lord, who is the supreme good, the truth, and the source of beauty. Ito nawa sana yung ating mapagninayan sa araw na ito, na tayo ay hindi makukumpleto, na tayo ay kulang kung hindi tayo dadalhin ng ating curiosity sa Diyos. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.